Hey everyone, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. Sorry that my lighting was a little off. We have some kind of like it's one of those days where the clouds are coming in and out, so don't have great lighting. Anyways, but we are here to open up the May 2021 Petit Vour box. I have not looked at anything in here, so let's check it out together. I have a nice spring look to it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna look in the box and then read about the description. The first thing I came across is called, it says Formulary 55 Sea Clay Body Mask, Detoxify and Tone, Small Batch Body Treatments. So that's what that looks like. And it says an all over detoxifying body treatment mask that is especially effective on the neck, back, and décolleté, right here. I never say that correctly. Designed to tone, treat, and tighten, this purifying body mask removes impurities, pollutants, and excess oils without stripping the skin. To use, apply a thin layer over slightly damp skin and allow it to dry. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Mask can also be used as a facial or spot treatment for those with oily complexions. I've never done a body mask unless I'm like at a spa, and I don't really understand, like when you put on your whole body, do you just like stand there for like 10 or 20 minutes to let it do its thing? I guess I'll find out at some point. I don't think I have quite as many uses for a body mask as I do the, like as a face mask, but anyways. And I'm going to read you about the values of these after, because I'm just gonna pick things out of the box. So this is the Sea Clay Body Mask. That's our first item. Next item is something from Oda Vite, California. Supercharge your skin routine. ba+s eye contour. Oh, it's a little tiny eye serum. That's cute. It says discover eye contour magic. It's so concentrated, 1 to 2 drops morning and night is all you need to awaken skin's beauty. Use wherever your eyes need refreshing. Apply over concealer or makeup to refresh eye area. So it's an eye contour serum concentrate, and wow, this is very informative. It has just all this little information about it, and then there's a little vial of it and what it's made out of and everything. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited for that. I'm trying to think if I have anything from, I've used a face mask from Petit Vour from Oda Vite, so that's cool. And I don't have a lot of eye serums. I don't have like a stock of them like I do a lot of my other products, so this is pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna enjoy checking this out, and it's so funny because it's so little, but nice in the sense that it says like it's so concentrated that you only need like 1 to 2 drops. So as you can see, it's very, very tiny, but maybe small but mighty. So that's fun and unique. I don't think we've gotten any eye products so far. Oh, there's 3 more products, so that's fun. Let's look at this. This is called Speak Deodorant Cream. All right, we have that. I've never used anything from this brand. So this is a deodorant cream. Gently apply thin layer underarm area. Reapply if needed. This is what it looks like. And it's very solid. I mean, I guess that's how deodorant creams are. I'm not a huge fan of having to apply it on my underarms myself, but I'll use it like, this is great for travel. I mean, it's so small and stuff. And yeah, so this will be good to try. Kind of tastes like, I mean, I didn't taste it. Kind of smells like tea tree. I think that's the scent. So interesting. Speak Deodorant Cream. Cool. Then we have, let's see what this is. Something with this color, which is pretty. Donore, D-O-N-O-R-E. And it doesn't say what the product is. That's what it looks like, as you saw. Oh, it's creamy, so we don't know what that is yet, but we'll find out. And then lastly, we have Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution Blemish Clearing Serum. Reduce breakouts, unclog pores, and even skin tone with this powerful serum packed with willow bark, salicylic acid, and organic fruit extracts, while CoQ10, vitamin C, and organic aloe renew the skin for healthy, clear complexion. This is 1 ounce. This is a very large serum. So I don't know. I guess I would use this if I was having breakouts. I don't know. We'll see. This is kind of, I don't have a lot of breakouts, thankfully. So those are all the items in the box, but let me tell you the value. So yeah, this time we have 5 products, which is cool. I don't think I've ever gotten 5. It's always been 4 so far. Oh, so this thing, the pink thing, is Donore Cosmetics. This is $22 worth. It's a lip and cheek pod. It says this duo offers naturally vibrant colors blended with essential oils and shea butter to moisturize, plump, and condition lips. So that's definitely pretty. I don't love they gave us something like this in one of the boxes, and it's like a all-in-one balm kind of thing. It's like for the cheeks and everything. I've been using it, but this is a pretty color. It's different than the other one, so, you know, I mean, I am not even anywhere close to being done with the other one, but I guess I'll just add this in since I don't have a ton of makeup products. And this one is worth $22. The blemish clearing serum is worth $15. The deodorant cream is worth $12. And the eye contour from Oda Vite is worth $10. And the Sea Clay body mask is worth $8. So we have, oh man, I'm not good at math. Okay, so we have 10 plus 8, 18, 12, 18 plus 12, 30 plus 20. So we're at 50 plus 2, 52. 52 plus 15, 67 approximately, $67 worth in this box. So that is everything. I don't know if I'm like super excited about any of these products, but you guys know that I love trying these things. So I will use them and I will report back in a few weeks. So thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, and click the subscribe button so you'll know when the next video comes out. Bye.